Okay, this lesson is over finding the better buy. Okay, you're going to be planning a taco meal and you want to find the cheapest ingredients. Okay, they're going to be different prices. But first, a rate is simply a comparison of two quantities. Okay, like 60 miles, if you drove 60 miles in 2 hours, okay, that'd be considered a rate. Okay, a unit rate is a rate with a denominator of 1. Okay, so if you're traveling 60 miles over 2 hours, that's the same as traveling 30 miles every 1 hour. Okay, so that's just a unit rate. Unit rates help you determine what is a better buy when you buy things, okay, among other things. But that's an important thing to be able to do. Okay, the easiest way to change a rate to a unit rate is to simply divide. Okay, so 60 miles in 2 hours. If I take 60 divided by 2, I get 30. Okay, that means I'm going 30 miles for every 1 hour. Okay, 30 miles per hour. Okay, the 1 means per. Okay, per means 1. So if you're buying soda pops and it costs $5 for 4 soda pops, and you want to know the dollars per soda pop, just take the $5 divided by the 4 pops, and you'd get $1.25 per soda pop. Okay, so you just basically take the first unit divided by the second unit. Okay, then you have it. Okay, so what you're going to do, there's a Desmos calculator you can use. You're going to be buying these ingredients, and you're going to want to figure out which store has the better buy. Okay, so let's say you're buying the taco shells. We'll do one problem together, okay? You're buying taco shells, and they're $1.59 for 12 shells at store A. Okay, so if I want to know the price for one shell, I'm going to take $1.59. You can use a calculator because the decimal answers are pretty messy on these. You can take the $1.59 divided by 12. Okay, so I'm getting a dollar amount. You got to be careful. You got to round to the penny. Okay, you want to round this to the penny. Okay, 0.1325. Okay, the penny place is that second position after the decimal point. Okay, the 3. So this is either going to be 13 cents or 14 cents. Okay, depending on the next number over. Okay, so the next number over from your 3, your penny position, is a 2. Okay, that's less than 5. So you keep it at 13. Okay, we're going to leave it at 13. If that number after the 3 would have been 5 or bigger, you would have rounded up to 14. Okay, but 13. So that means if it's $1.59 for 12 shells, it's 13 cents for one shell. Okay, so let's see, you want to drag up the 13 cents. And then you can just write for the label per shell. Okay, so at store A, if they're $1.59 for 12 shells, it would cost 13 cents per shell. Okay, store B, they have a different deal. They have a pack of 20 shells for $2.99. Okay, so if you want to know the price per taco shell at that store, you would take $2.99. Let's see, clear that out. Okay, $2.99, 2.99 divided by the 20 shells. Okay, you don't have to push equals in Desmos. You just get the answer. Okay, so we get 0.1495. Okay, 0.14. Okay, we want to round to the penny. Okay, the penny would be the place where that 4 is. Okay, so look past that 4, which is a 9. Okay, if the number past the penny position is 5 or bigger, round up. Okay, so instead of being 14 cents, it's going to be 15 cents. Okay, so store B, drag that up. It would cost 15 cents per shell. Okay, so we're now comparing the two stores. Which would be cheaper per shell? Is it cheaper to be 13 cents per shell or 15 cents per shell? Okay, so store A would be cheaper, okay, because each shell costs less. So you could just drag over store A. Okay, so see what you can do on these. You take the dollars divided by whatever unit it is to find the unit rate. Okay, round to the penny. Okay, look at the number past the third position, past the penny position, and just either round up or round down. If it's less than 5, keep it. If it's 5 or bigger, round up. Okay, answer these questions. There's also a question on an additional slide when you're done with that. Okay, do the best you can. Be sure to ask me questions if you have any.